Neschen Innovative Products. The video shall also be an introduction and beginning of promotion of the new catalog about Neschen products. We are in Wrocław, in the pediatric clinic. Agnes is waiting for me inside. Let's go inside. Meet Agnes, a product manager at Integart. Hi Agnes. Tell us what products were used for today's project. In today's project we use several products of Neschen. They are Integart, Easy Fix, Print and Walk, and Chalkboard black film. The most important thing is that all the products are certified as fire retardant due to the water-based adhesive layer underneath the film. Most products are based on so-called Integart adhesive technology. That enables dry film application and repasting. It also helps to avoid so-called bubble effect. The bubble effect appears when the air gets under the film surface. Thanks to the dot adhesive technology, the air is pushed outside in an easy manner. Does the product used on the floor, Print and Walk, have any special properties? Yes, it does. The product has a slightly rough surface that makes it anti-slip. Additionally, it does not require lamination. That significantly saves cost. For this product, we recommend UV printing technology. Is a place like this a good idea for an interior design project? Yes, it is. Through colorful and joyful wall applications, we may not only change the room decoration, but also child's attitude towards the place. The project and video were made in Multimetic.